Hey guys, today we have a package from Silly Squishies, and this is actually from their $5 and $10 sale that they had a while back. I also have another package that was from their 50% off sale, but I'll do it after this video. And before we get started, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Slimy Squishies, not to be confused with Silly Squishies. Slimy Squishies, I will leave your YouTube channel in the description box below. And if you would like a shout out in a future video, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel and comment down below with the hashtag TinyLove. So let's get started. So here is a sneak peek into our package, and I'm not sure if they include a receipt or not, but I'll try to remember which ones were $5 and which ones were $10. So first up is this Hello Kitty Chigiri bread, and I think this is the only one they had left in their $5 sale, but I was glad to get it because we don't have, we do have a Hello Kitty Chigiri bread, but it's a different set, and this is actually a little bit dense, but it's super cute. And it's licensed by Sanrio. And I'll just take it out for you. So here it is out of the packaging. It's super cute and detailed. And this was $5, which is a pretty awesome deal because I think they're normally around 10 or even a little bit more per Chigiri bread. So I'm super excited to add this to our collection. Next up is this Cafe Diem scented cake. And I think this was also $5. And it comes with the little tag. And it looks a little bit defected, so it's not in perfect condition. But it's really pretty. And it's sweetly scented. And there's the licensing on the bottom by Nick. So yeah, I think this is definitely worth $5. The next item is this Kurila Kuma, I think that's the name, Kurila Kuma ice cream, and it's double scooped. Super cute. Oh, it's really soft. It's really soft, and I love the colors. Looks like it's non-resealable, which is really weird. Oh, no, it is. I was like, they usually don't come in non-resealable packaging. So here it is. Oh, it's so cute. It's got a little green apple on its head. And it's really soft for a small squishy. I'm very happy with this one. And we can't have Kurila without Rilakuma. So here's the Rilakuma double scoop ice cream we got, and it is adorable. I absolutely love all the Rilakuma squishies that we have. And these are actually really soft and slow rising. So this one has a little kind of red apple, or pink apple, sorry, on top. And I love the color combination here. It's gorgeous. And the licensing is by Sanrio. And definitely worth $5. And next up is this gorgeous Hello Kitty donut. And I believe I got this for $10. which is about the right price that it should be. But since then, Silly Squishies has dropped more of their pricing. So some of their squishies are actually now $2.99, and they dropped this one to $5. So I actually picked up a couple more after this sale in different colors. But this one I did pay $10 for, and it is gorgeous, beautiful rainbow. This is surprisingly my first Hello Kitty donut, if you can believe. I have collected actually tons of Hello Kitty squishies now because I just love them. But in terms of an authentic Hello Kitty donut, this is actually my first. And I'm not sure why. Like, they're a little pricey sometimes, but I think I just haven't found one that I really loved. So I hadn't bought one since now. So this is a 2018 Sanrio. Yeah, I actually have not bought a Hello Kitty donut squishy before. This is my first, and it is beautiful. I love it. Sorry if there are some car noises outside. We have the window open because we're in our August weather right now, and it's super hot outside, which I'm not complaining because it's usually cold here, but it's been really hot these days, so we have the window open. So I'm super happy with everything we've gotten so far. Like, these are really great deals, and I think Silly Squishies is trying to clear out their inventory for new squishies that they have coming in the fall. This is the Watermelon Yummy Bear Donut, and it is beautiful. I think I first saw this, well, I've seen it, I guess, before, but recently I've seen it, Squishy Gerbil open one of these. I think she got it by accident from somewhere, and she ended up loving it, and it looked like a great squishy to have. So there is the acrylic tag. It is just adorable. It's actually holding like a cup of watermelon. And here is the squishy. And yeah, I was pretty sure this was by Estrella. This is a collab between Creamy Candy and Estrella Patron. And look how gorgeous that is. The color is so vibrant. It's such a cute design. And this is from Creamy Candy in 2017. Sorry, I haven't even squished it yet. I've just been admiring how beautiful it is. Like all Creamy Candy squishies, it is super soft, slow rising. It does not smell like watermelon. It has kind of a fresh, I want to say almost like laundry detergent smell, which sounds bad, but it smells really fresh and really, really good. So yes, this is definitely worth $10. Next is this Angel Bunny by Bunny's Cafe, and it's in white. And I actually just opened one of these in yellow, I think, in a Bunny's Cafe grab bag. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. It's super, super soft. Bunny's Cafe squishies, I think, are probably the softest squishies. Like them and I Bloom are just amazingly soft. Like, I don't know what their formula is, but it's amazing. Oh, and this is actually a collab with I Bloom, so maybe it's extra soft. So I have this in a purple one as well, but I've always wanted the original white one. And I can't remember, but I think this was $10 as well. And it's got like little cute pink wings on the back, which I think I missed actually the first time I saw the purple one. but it is really soft. It's it might take all day to rise back. That is super soft. Next, this is from the $5 category. This is the Fat Paw Paw Avocado Squishy. And look how tiny and cute it is. I love it. And I think this one is normally like $13 or something. And so, oh my gosh, it comes with a tag too. So for $5, this is an absolute bargain. That is the cutest acrylic tag. Oh my gosh, look at the detail. Like, it's got beautiful colors, texture, it's got a cute little bow. It's super kawaii and super fun to squish. And it's lightly scented. This smells kind of like sweet coconut scent. This one is awesome. So there's 2 more squishies, and they didn't include a receipt, but I think I remembered most of what everything cost. It's like the squishy package that never ends because everything was such a good bargain. So this is a Cafe Dien scented cake, and I've been eyeing these ones for quite a while. I know they came out not too long ago actually, but I had been eyeing them, and so glad to pick them up for $5 a piece. So it comes with a little tag as well. And here is the cake. It's so pretty. It's like a 3-tiered, looks like a wedding cake, but I guess it could be maybe just a birthday party, or maybe it's like a baby shower. So it's licensed by Nick and has a really subtle sweet scent. Is it ever cute and beautiful though? There's room for just one more squishy, and I saved the best one for last. This is a sugar cookie squishy from Silly Squishies. I was surprised that this was included because this is actually part of the Silly Squishies brand, but maybe like it was the older one and not the new one. So got this for $10. I really want to get the chocolate chip cookie one, but I think they totally sold out of that stock. It is so cute and beautiful. It's got sprinkles all over it, really kawaii face. And looks like it's got the licensing there, Silly Squishies. So we'll be filming, oh, it's taped. We'll be filming the 50% off squishy package that I got. It actually came before this one. Oh, I'm kind of ripping the barcode there. It actually came before this package, but opening this one first because we just haven't had time to open that one, and because the girls love the Silly Squishies brand and they definitely wanted to be in that video. I'm going to really gently take this out. Sorry for all the bag noise. I know that kind of bugs me sometimes. So there's the licensing, Silly Squishies. Oh, sorry, it's upside down. Silly Squishies. And here is the front. It just looks like the most delicious sugar cookie, if you're into sweets. And it's got these beautiful sprinkles on it. And yeah, I'll try not to squish it too much because I don't want them to all fall off. But so glad to add this to our collection, especially since it's one of the older squishies that Silly Squishies created. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 squishies in this squishy package, and I don't think would ever order a squishy package so large, but as I mentioned, everything in this package was either $5 or $10, most of them $5. I think it was the donuts were 10, the cookie was 10, and I think the bunny was 10 too. And everything else was 5, so it was super awesome deal, and I'm really happy with everything. Thanks to Silly Squishies for sending it really quickly. I have had packages take a little bit longer, but I think it's just because they get stuck in customs coming from the US. So this one came really quickly, and I'm really happy with everything. So thank you so much. Once again, our shout out today goes to Slimy Squishies. Check them out in the description box below. And if you want a shout out, all you need to do is subscribe and comment down below with the hashtag TinyLove. If you enjoyed this video, please like and turn on those notifications so you can be alerted when we do more squishy videos. Thanks, guys!